Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And if you have any topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments down below. Today, we're tackling a question that's been on a lot of people's minds. Can you really become a millionaire overnight with cryptocurrency? We've all heard stories of people who invested a small amount in Bitcoin or some other crypto, and then saw their wealth skyrocket in just a matter of days or weeks. But is it really that easy? Let's find out. First of all, it's important to understand that investing in cryptocurrency is a high-risk, high-reward proposition. Yes, it's possible to make a lot of money quickly, but it's also possible to lose a lot of money just as quickly. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile, and prices can swing wildly in a matter of hours or even minutes. That being said, there have been some truly incredible success stories in the world of crypto. One of the most famous is that of the Winklevoss twins, who invested $11 million in Bitcoin back in 2013 and saw their investment grow to over $1 billion just a few years later. Of course, not everyone has that kind of money to invest in the first place. So, can you really become a millionaire overnight with cryptocurrency if you don't have millions to invest? The answer is maybe. There have been cases of people who invested just a few $100 or $1,000 in a cryptocurrency that then exploded in value, making them very rich very quickly. But those cases are the exception, not the rule. In general, it's best to approach cryptocurrency investing with a long-term mindset. Instead of trying to get rich quick, focus on finding quality projects with solid fundamentals that have the potential to grow in value over time. Do your research, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. So there you have it, the truth about becoming a millionaire overnight with cryptocurrency. While it's technically possible, it's not something that's likely to happen for the vast majority of people. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Thanks for watching.